love this. Lately, I received a lot of DMs concerning the new people or the aspiring YouTubers who want to start newly. I mean the beginners. And they have a lot of questions. Others don't know where to start from. That's why I bring up this video today. It is simple and precise. It will be short, but it is going to help any person that wants to start a YouTube channel right now. These are three major things. I compiled three major things that a beginner must know before starting YouTube if you want to make money within short time or after being monetized immediately. Not for you to monetize today and you stay 1 year to get money from your content. So, do you want to start a YouTube channel and actually make money from it? Well, before you upload your first video, there are three crucial things that you need to know. Things that can save your time, help you grow faster, and actually make your channel profitable. Good morning, good afternoon, how are you doing over there? For the new subscribers, I love you so much, and for the royal fans, you make me be what I am. And thanks for all our masterclass students. Thank you for trusting in me. Let's dive in, you guys, and see what are the three things the beginners must know before they start. The first one is pick a profitable niche. Not all YouTube niches make money, you people, equally, because I saw recently someone said she has been monetized. What next? Where is the money exactly? She has not seen the money for 6 months. What comes is 0.005. When I went to see her niche, I found the niche is very competitive and it is one of the lowest niche that is being paid. So this is what you expect. Now, coming back to you guys who want to start right now. If you want to monetize quickly, choose a niche with high CPM. And when you choose a niche with high CPM, when I talk about CPM, it is cost per mile. This is what they pay as per 1,000 views. Topics like finance, tech reviews, business education, they tend to earn more money from ads than entertainment or simple or ordinary vlogs. Pick something you love, but also sometimes or something that the advertisers are going to invest their money in. Advertisers are willing to pay for. That is the first thing you should consider. Then the second thing you should consider, and my manager used to talk about it so much when I was starting, it is quality over quantity. A lot of beginners, including some, but I wasn't there when I was beginning, I didn't do that, but a lot of beginners think they need to post every day to grow. No. Sometimes when you post every day to grow, you compromise your quality. So what you need to do, you need to focus. It's very wrong, you guys, to compromise your quality when you're starting especially. Focus on making high quality, variable content that keeps people watching. YouTube rewards watch time, not just uploads. A well-edited, engaging video once a week is better than 7 rushed ones. If you've not yet been monetized, what you do, and you want people to give you watch time, please do quality over quantity. You can pitch in quality. You can pitch in quantity in form of lives, in form of shorts. Then you find you balancing the thing. Then the third one is master CEOs and thumbnail. It took me time to master this thing. I'm still learning. A lot of beginners think they need to post every day to grow. And also, if no one clicks your video, it does not matter how good it is. It might be good inside, you might have good content, but if someone cannot click there, it will be useless. Use searchable titles, you guys. Add strong keywords in your description and tags, and create eye-catching thumbnails. YouTube is a second search engine to Google. Treat it like now one. Don't treat it like any other thing. I sat down and what makes YouTube give us money? YouTube give us money because it wants also to get money. So when we talk about this, really, there are sometimes we go to people's videos, but you find their description is empty. You find their everything is empty. Why leave the place empty? Because they don't know the benefits and the wonderful things about the description. But it's not about only the description, it is about the key searchable word, that is SEO. Lately, a lot of expert people have been in my DMs, on my WhatsApp, in my emails about this. But I'm still learning, so I won't do it for myself. If you don't know the CEOs and thumbnail, what it is all about, you can use the bot tools, the AI tools, to make sure you get your key searchable words, like what I do. You can also go ahead and use VIDQ. VIDQ will help you. They are helping me, yes. At least I push my videos to make sure that the score should be around 50. But if you have enough time, like the way you're starting, let your score be high such that your videos can be recommended. You want more tips, you guys, and you're just beginning. If you begin and you want more tips, I want you to go to this video, write you want more tips, specifically mention where you want the tip to be, because I might be very general. Then let's start something out. I love seeing people getting interested to grow. I love seeing people getting interested to understand more. But it is very hard for somebody to teach you, because that is not our role, to teach you everything. Our role is to open your minds, to show you the way, and the rest is yours. Even if I try to teach you every step by step, if you're not interested, you'll not make it. So what I want you to do, first get interested, then the rest will be history. Because the moment you're interested, you will look for it. You will look for the knowledge. Ask me, who taught me? No one. But I learn every day, and I'm ready to learn and relearn. Thank you very much, you guys. Remember, these are the 3 things beginners should know before they start their YouTube channels, if they want to actually make money from this YouTube channel and their content. Have you heard of the people, you guys, as we close, let me ask you, let us do something. Have you heard of the individuals who have had their YouTube channel monetize? They celebrate, they are there, they know, oh, we are going to get money. But the first month, second month, third month, they are not seeing anything. When they fail to see anything, they say, it was a lie. They don't know that they started on a wrong ground. They did not research. They did not invest in their time to know exactly what works and what doesn't work. So is you. You're privileged to be on the Immaculate Show channel, where I don't hide any secret. To the extent that I will even tell you the amount of money that I earned last night, by the way. I earned $20 or around 18 point something dollars. So be free to dig up some things. You'll not get everything from here, but my guidance can make you get a lot of things out there on YouTube, on Google, on these AI tools and others. Thank you very much, you guys. If you've reached at this time without even putting a thumbs up, I don't know what I did for you. Really, you need to like this video. Please write your minds in the comment section. Bye bye.